Today I'd just like to talk to you about two different anchor bolt solutions. Both of these anchor bolts terminate and use the same chain, BL646 or LH1246. This particular component terminates the chain on the inner links, and this particular component terminates the chain on the outer links. Both of these solutions come with pros and cons. First of all, the ends inner solution, the more traditional solution, it is a stronger component, but it is a more costly component to produce. Primary reason for that is that it does come from a larger billet. This is a 40mm diameter billet, whereas the ends outer termination, or the ends outer terminated bolt, comes from a 32mm diameter billet. The difference in weight between those billets is roughly 50%. It is a stronger, the ends inner solution is a stronger solution. There is a large number of shear faces, and there is more material on the front of this component, so therefore it has a higher tensile strength for that safety factor. Now the ends outer solution component. Well, as I said before, it does come from a smaller diameter billet, so therefore your cost for the component is reduced. But the trouble there is that because it comes from a smaller diameter billet and the style of the termination on the component, this component is actually 30% weaker than the ends inner finish. Some other positives or pros about using this particular component is that if it's used in a tight space in the bottom of your mast or carriage, it could be quite good for your design if it's quite you've got some space constraints. The only trouble with that is that the ends outer solution is harder to assemble. For further information about the design of both of these components or any of our anchors, please visit our website fbchain.com.